In this video, we will take three different types of cubic unit cells. Three types of cubic unit cells. What are they? One is called simple cubic, also called primitive cubic unit cell. Second one, body centered cubic unit cell. Next one, face centered cubic unit cell. First of all, we will see the simple cubic unit cell. Now, this is the simple cubic unit cell in which atoms are occupying at corners. So, how many lattice points will be there here? 8 lattice points are there. All the corners are nothing but here lattice points. So, how many atoms will be there in one unit cell? If you take only single unit cell, they are having 8 corners are there, 8 atoms are occupying in that corners. But these unit cells are connected together. So, in that case what happen? We need to take total number of corners, okay, and how many unit cells are sharing with that corner. That is also we have to consider. How many unit cells are sharing with that corner, this one, and total number of atoms, that means total number of corners are available, that we need to take here. So, for example, in this there are 8 corners are there. There are 8 corners are there. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 corners are there. But when you place one atom here, when you place this one atom here, when you place one atom here, this atom will share by 8 corners of 8 unit cells here. 8 unit cells here. 8 unit cells here. Okay, how? Let me see this one here. See, I placed an atom here at this corner. I placed an atom here. Now, this atom will share with 8 unit cells here. Let me take, this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, isn't it? So, totally its own is also called 8th one. Its own is called 8th. Now, this atom is sharing with how many unit cells here? 8 unit cells here. So, one atom, isn't it? One corner of unit cell or one atom of unit cell, isn't it? Or one constant particle of unit cell is sharing with how many unit cells here? 8 unit cells here into total number of corners. That will be always what happen? 1. Now, total number of atoms present in one unit cell of simple cubic will be only one atom. Only one atom will be there here. Only one atom. For example, you take this one. This is the diagram you take. Now, if you place any atom here, isn't it? Now, this is sharing with how many unit cells? 4 unit cells here. This atom is sharing with 4 unit cells. Similarly, when you keep an atom here, that will share with 8 unit cells. Therefore, I have taken one atom, isn't it? One atom sharing with 8 unit cells, okay? 8 unit cells into total number of corners here, okay? Total number of corners. So, in that case what happen? We get 1 actually. In this way, same if I put one atom here, it is also sharing with what again? 8 corners only, same 8 unit cells only, same like that it is. Okay. So, this is called actually what? Calculation of number of atoms per unit cell here. Now, if you observe here what happened, how many neighboring atoms are there in this case? Now, if I place an atom at this corner, you can place at any corner. I am placing an atom at this corner. Now, this is neighboring with how many atoms? If you observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, coordination number is getting here 6. That means any atom of the corner of simple cubic unit cell is surrounded by 6 atoms like this. 6 atoms like this here. Therefore, its coordination number becomes here 6. The 2 points we need to remember. How many atoms present in simple cubic unit cell? Z efficiency, generally we call this one Z efficiency, number of atoms per unit cell. What is the meaning of Z efficiency? number of atoms per unit cell. That will always 1 for what? Simple cubic unit cell, and its coordination number will be 6 here. See, I have taken this one. So when you observe here, what happened? How many are surrounding here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For this particular atom, the neighboring atoms. The neighboring atoms, how many? 6. So coordination number will be 6 here. Next, we will take the second one. Second one, body centered. This one will take here. Second type of cubic unit cell, body centered cubic unit cell we take here. Now, in the body centered cubic unit cell, the lattice points are 9. How we get 9? See, 8 corners plus 1 body centered we are going to get here. 1 body center. So totally we are getting how many? 9 lattice points here. Again the same thing. 1 atom at the corner contributes 1/8 of its full capacity as it's shared by 8 unit cells corner. So in the last slide we discussed this one. Okay, already we discussed this one in the last slide. 1 atom present at the corner will shared by 8 unit cells here. 1 atom at the carbon will sharing with 8 unit cells here. And the atom which is present at the body centered will not share by any unit cell here. So when you place any atom at the body center, you see here, you placed an atom at the body centered, it is not sharing with any type of unit cell. It is also body centered, not sharing with any type of unit cells. In that case, what happened? 1 body center, okay, 1 body center, for body center, 1 body center, 1 body center into, okay, 1 atom present at that. 1 atom is present. So what we get here? 1 only we get here. So again, total 8 corners are there, but 1 atom will sharing with what? 8 unit cells, and total number of corners are 8. So how much we are getting? 2. Now Z efficiency of BCC will be how much here? 2. The total number of atoms per 1 body centered cubic unit cell will be 2 always. Next, isn't it? Coordination number will be 8 here. Let me see how coordination number will be 8. Now I put an atom at the body center like this. Now it is surrounding by how many atoms here? 4 atoms like this. All the corners, isn't it, of this unit cell becomes as a neighboring atoms here, isn't it? 3 is missed here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now the body centered surrounded by 8 corners here. So therefore surrounding atoms will be 8. Coordination number also will become 8 actually. So 2 things we need to remember. Z efficiency, number of atoms per 1 body centered cubic unit cell will be 2. And the coordination number will be 8 here. See, you are observing here how many you are getting. See, 8 corners you are going to get here, right? In this way. This is body centered. This is what body centered. Okay. Now these are the neighboring atoms. All these are neighboring atoms here. 8 neighboring atoms here. Okay. The coordination number becomes here 8 actually. Next. Fine. Next we will take face centered. Last one, face centered cubic unit cell we will take here. Now how many lattice points we are going to get? 14 lattice points we are going to get. How? 8 corners. 8 corners plus 6 face centers. 6 face centers. And total it will be 14 face centers. Now Z efficiency now we are calculating here. Total number of atoms present in 1 face centered cubic unit cells we are now calculating here. Again the 8 corners into 8 into 1/8 same common thing. Now let me see your face center here. Let me take your face center now here. Now you observe here, this is the atom I have taken. This is one of the face center I have taken. So top face would take. This is just for this unit cell. For this unit cell, this is the top face. Okay, this is what actually top face center. Now top face center can be shared with how many number of unit cells here? Top face can share with the below one. For below unit cell it can share, and above also it can show. That means what I am saying here, for any face center, it will, isn't it, share with the top and bottom here, isn't it? So in that case, what I can write here? So total number of faces are how many? Generally, how many faces will have? 6 faces. Front face, top face, back face, left, right, isn't it? So total 6 faces will be there, and one atom, if you place at any face, that will be shared with 2 unit cells here. When you place one atom at any phase center, okay, it will share with 2 unit cells. Therefore, half into total number of faces will be 6, and you are going to get here 3, and already we discussed here total 8 unit cells, and one atom will share with what? 8 unit cells. Here 1 plus what happened? 3. Therefore, Z efficiency we are going to get the 4 here. Okay, the Z efficiency we are going to get the 4 actually, right? Next, what about the coordination number here? Now you see here, each phase center atom is shared by 2 unit cells. Here we written simply 2 unit cells, and so contribution half, each corner contribution is 1 by, this is by corners, how much contribution we are getting? 1 by 8. From faces, how much contribution you are getting? Half you are going to get here. Now let me take here the same thing just now we discussed here. Now if you observe this atom, the top face atom, now this is surrounding with how many atoms? Let me see. This face centered, top face centered, surrounding with how many you see? All right mark are actually what? Surrounding atoms. Now this top face, isn't it, surrounded with what? This much number of atoms. With what? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total what happened? You are going to get 12 as a coordination number here. So this will not surround here, because it is, because once they come here, they can't be contact with. So this much number is contacting with what actually? With this top face. Similarly, if you take bottom face, same coordination number we get. If you take front face, top face, isn't it? Any face if you take here, that will surrounded by how many atoms? Definitely 12 atoms. Therefore, coordination number will be definitely what happened? For the face center will definitely for what? 12 only. Definitely it will be 12. Okay. Next, we will take some little bit MCQ. The order of lattice points in BCC, FCC and simple cubic. How many order will be there? For BCC, the lattice points are 9, and for the FCC, the lattice points are how many here? 14, and the simple cubic lattice points are 8 here. So answer will be C. Particles at corner of the cube contributes how much here? 1 by 8. At corner, how much contribution we get? 1 by 8. Coordination number for the BCC, how much it will be? Always it will be what? 8 only. Particles at the face of cube contributes how much here? 1 by 2. The order of Z in say simple cubic, body centered, face centered will be how much it will be? Order for simple cubic 1, BCC will be 2, face centered will be 4. So it will be 1, 2, 4 here. This is about the Z efficiency, calculating the number of atoms of 3 types of simple cubic.